Hello friends, welcome to this exercise on how to practice general maintenance on transformers. At the end of this video, you will be able to
carry out hourly maintenance of the transformer, carry out daily maintenance of the transformer. Let us discuss why maintenance is required on transformers. The major goal of transformer maintenance is to make sure that the internal and external parts of the transformer and its accessories are kept in good condition, fit for the purpose, and capable of performing safely at any time. Keeping a historical record of the transformer's condition is crucial as well. Electrical transformers are a costly and crucial component of any electrical power station. Therefore, it is best to do routine maintenance checks on your machinery to ensure optimum performance and increased product life. There are two types of transformer maintenance. One is carried out routinely, while the other is carried out when it is urgent. Regular maintenance inspections could prevent the need for breakdown maintenance, which would reduce downtime. The maintenance for a transformer is only carried out when necessary and is referred to as emergency or breakdown transformer maintenance. Safety precautions. Under any circumstances, work on the transformer should never be done unless it has been properly earthed. Ensure the input side of the transformer is in off condition, and the skilled person who is doing maintenance work should wear PPE, that is personal protective equipment. But if regular maintenance is done properly, the chances of needing to perform emergency maintenance significantly reduces. To carry hourly maintenance, note down the secondary load current of the transformer in the ammeter provided. Check this value with the rated value as per nameplate details. If the load current is more than the rated value, then reduce the load on the transformer by the following sequence: trip off the circuit breaker, switch off the load feeders which are not very essential, again charge and switch on the circuit breaker. Record the values of primary line voltage and line current and secondary line voltage and line current and power factor in tabulation. Note down the oil temperature, which is indicated by thermostat dial or thermometer. To carry out daily maintenance of transformer, inspect the dehydrating breather in the following sequence. Check whether the air passage are clear. If not, clean it. Check the color of the active agent, that is silica gel. If the silica gel is pink in color, reactivate it in the following sequence. Collect the silica gel crystals in a shallow tray and bake them at 200 degrees Celsius. When the crystals become blue in color, fill the breather with reactivated blue crystals. Inspect the oil level in the transformer. Observe the conservator's sight glass and check the oil level of the transformer. If the oil level is low, top up the level through the drain valve by filling it with clean transformer oil. If the oil level drops drastically over a short period of time, then check the tank for any oil leakage. If there is a leak in the transformer tank, take suitable action to prevent leakage. Inspect the relief diaphragm. Observe the explosion vent of the transformer and check the condition of the relief diaphragm and record the observations in a tabulation. If it is cracked or broken, replace it after isolating the primary supply of the transformer. Let us discuss the annual maintenance of the transformer. A yearly inspection is required of the air fans, oil pumps, and other components used to cool a transformer and control circuit. Make sure that you clean all the bushings of your electrical transformer with a soft cotton cloth annually. A suitable cleaning agent must be used to clean all the control switches, alarms, and relays, as well as the circuits that power them, the remote tap changer control panel, and relay and control panel. The proper function of Buchholz relay and press release device relay needs to be checked on a yearly basis. Check the earth continuity conductor connected between the earth and transformer and check the resistance of the earth.
I hope after watching this video, you will be able to
carry out hourly maintenance of the transformer, carry out daily maintenance of the transformer.
This concludes the exercise on the practice of general maintenance on transformers. See you in the next exercise.